Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today April the 3rd and the chart of the day is the DAX 45 minutes time frame here. Now we can see we finished with 2, right? And this is a C of 2, okay? And then now starting to turn higher, that means we are now starting to turn higher within with 3. Within with 3, we are just starting. I mean, so far the rally is a 3-ways rally. So, but then we are about to break above this peak again. Now, if we assume we could break above this peak, that will create a 5-ways up from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that will increase the chance that we should see further upside extension due to the 5-swing rally. Okay, so even if we eventually will not go to new high, because this one is still turning up here, as this one only become green if we can break above that previous wave one. So if I zoom out on the daily time frame, okay, so let's copy here. This is a C, this is a 2, and then you got these 5 waves in the minute degree here, this black color here. Okay, so that 5 waves is right here. It's right here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me give you a couple of different options. Okay, so this is a 5 and this is your 4, right? This is your 4, like this one, the 1-hour chart is 45-minute chart here. You got a 3 here, then you just backtrack the location, and then the 2 and the 1 is going to be, this is the 2, okay, and the 1 is should be right here. There is a flat here, ABC. Okay, so so we got a 5 ways down from this peak, finish, now looking to rally. Again, if this is a C, then this is a B, and the A will be here, and the 1 is going to be here. So basically what we are looking at here is an expanded flat potentially. So you can see the DAX completed the cycle from April 2025 right here, and then you got an expanded flat ABC, definitely a 5 ways down from the peak here. Now that cycle is complete, so either now we go to new high, right? Either now we go to new high, or as an alternate then we do a 3-ways rally to correct these 5 waves. Now again, so far we already have 3 waves, but that 3 waves is kind of still shallow to correct these 5 waves. So if we do get another leg up above here and create a 5 swing from the lows, then I think at minimum that will imply something like this. So if, let's say, assume we got another leg up creating a 5 swing, then at minimum, even if we don't eventually break above this peak, okay, then at the least we will get like some sort of an ABC before it fails and go down again, right? So another leg above this peak is going to increase the odds of further upside extension in the form of an ABC at the least. If not complete extension to new high, then at the least some sort of ABC. Now, what will be in the alternate? Let's assume we do get another leg up, which increases the chance. So that means we can expect at least something like this, at least if not extension higher than at least ABC. What will be the alternate count if we do something like this? Well, then you have to force, if that's the case, you have to force one ending here, and this is A leg here, and this is a B leg, and then you got an ABC pullback from here. So that will be the alternate count in case it fails to extend to the upside. So this one is going to be a little bit ugly in how you call. So you basically has to force it something like this. Is 1, 2, and then you got a 3, maybe somewhere somewhere here, right? Somewhere here or somewhere here, and then with a flat ABC 4. So yeah, the structure is going to be quite ugly if that's the case, and that's why I think we got two options: either like this, there is rally fail, go down, or one ended here, right? One ended here or here, and then we do have a flat finish with 2 here as an expanded flat, then starting to turn higher. But that's kind of like the medium term. I think what's important in the short term is that if we manage to take this out, creating a 5 swing up, either way, bullish or bearish, that will increase the chance of further upside extension for at least a 3-ish rally, okay? As long as we stay above this 21,886. So that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on the DAX or any other index, Forex, stocks, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.